welcome to another edition of Model Car Memories. I've pulled this one out. It's another one that's mostly complete. It's a 61 Ford Galaxie. You can see here, it looks kind of rough. I'm missing the wheels, missing the steering column there as well. But I didn't, when I turned this upside down, I noticed it's got a lot of writing here, so I'm just wondering if this was a promo car or not. Because you see galvanized rocker panels beneath doors. It says aluminized here, 3 or 5 times normal life. It's got a lot of things written on it all over it there. But it looks like my stepdad tried to make this a race car or something like that. Oh, there went a taillight. Door handles are saved off. There's lots of Bondo here and there. It's got I see SS and 5 written on the windshield. See, it does have the motor in there. Need to glue that back in place. So digging around for spare parts, I found some seat belts that are painted to match the interior. Found both of these, but I don't know if he was going to use it on it or not. It's the same color as the interior, but that's all I got of those. So what I'm going to try to see fit, I got a full set of these wheels, and then I got 2 of those. Also found a roll bar I could set in there to give it the race car look. Found a gear shift, so I can put that in the floorboard. Had some trouble trying to find a steering column. I did find a fancy steering wheel. Gonna have to figure out something to make a steering column with. Find some plastic, whittle it down or something like that. But I'll see what I can figure out on that. So I'm gonna get this taken apart and cleaned up, and then I'll start to repair stuff. But this thing's, it's not gonna clean up all that great. This is just really scratched up. And like I said, the body filler in a lot of places and stuff. I mean, it's going to look rough. It's probably going to look like a rough racer or something like that. So I'm gonna get to working on that, and I'll come back to you when I'm ready to add some parts and assemble it. All right, everybody, I've got everything glued up so far. See the interior, I made a steering column. Found this cool steering wheel. Got a gear shift in there. Added the roll bar to it. On the wheels, the first set of wheels I had that I was going to put on the rear, the hubs are for a bigger axle. So I still got the ones on the front here. And then I found these, and these are actually look like they're drag slicks anyway. So got those on there for the wheels. The engine, had to glue it back in. I did discover it was missing the header on the opposite side there. I'll just leave it the way it is. Then cleaned up the body a little bit. I was real gentle on the windshield here because I didn't want to get off the wipe off the paint that he had written on there for the numbers on that. Then the hood look, I mean, it looks really rough here. It's been sanded down and stuff like that. So I don't know if he's going to repaint it or what. But let's see if I can get this thing completely back together. When I was taking it apart, this was glued in, so I had to be real gentle on that. See if this is going to fit here. I didn't think about the roll bar coming through. Yeah, the roll bar came through just fine. All right, so I got that in there. Let's see. That's the rear bumper. It's just a rear bumper. Nah, that's the front bumper there. And the rear bumper. Looks like it fits in kind of tight here. Oh, I see. There's a little 2 pegs that went in there. Get this together. All right. Line up the screw holes here. Set that down. All right, these are lining up first. So let's get these in. As you see, there were white walls on one side of the tire, so that's the way they were. These are basically the set of tires that I could find that would fit the axles that go on this car. Found a bunch of other stuff that might have worked on this car, but they also look like they worked on other cars that I haven't finished up yet, so didn't want to rob one part that might go to another car. All right, there we have it. Oop. Why is this running a little crooked here? Oh, I know what I did. I didn't get the axle in straight on the front. Got it going through one hole on one side and then a different one on the other side. See if I can fix that real quick. Get one of these wheels off. This one's wanting to come off. I also did notice about this. There's an old spoke wheels. I can barely tell on it. There was a set of 4 of these. 2 of them looked really bad. They just put the boom disc on the spoke wheels here. So you see, we can put it at multiple levels. All right, let me just get this out. Oh. Now it's done falling apart. All right. If I get this through the right one. There. It's on the correct one there. Put that in there. All right. So I'm going to have to glue that wheel back in place. But that'll be it. Once I do that, this wheel looks like it's been glued in several times already. So alright, I'm just going to let it sit in place. And I did it with a little rake to it as well. So I'll back it up there so you can see it. Give you a better look at the car itself. So it's ready for the drag strip. Guessing the super stock class, but there you go. Well, thank you for watching again. Like always, check the Instagram page for up close pictures of the car finished. And let me know in the comments what you want me to see next. If you want me to do another unboxing or repair another car. There's a small handful of cars left that need to be repaired. There's a couple of them. I'll probably do one episode on all the ones I can't repair, the ones that are just too far gone. So let me know in the comments which one you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.